Welcome to the special episode of International, and this time see Dubrovnik Croatia in 5 minutes. Let's go. Higher. Yeah. Highlight of the day, going to the city walls. Fantastic. Come. All but fast. Amazing. Dubrovnik. It's really beautiful here. Really nice. Come on, look behind. Dubrovnik Old Town. Fantastic. What is this? Wow. Adventure. Continues. Wow, there's some nice steps. Let's go. The route, what I'm taking now, is actually city wall around the old town. So it's going all around the old town, or as they call here, old city. Now as a tourist you can do that, but you can imagine 1,000 years ago, maybe 2,000 years ago, there was a real soldiers walking around here, and every corner they had the guard to take care about this city. No idea what kind of rifles they were using, or weapons actually. Maybe throwing stones for the boats which try to attack the island, or some hot tar or water. I don't know, no idea. Interesting. It is. Dubrovnik. Hard day, many things to see, many things to do, and for that reason you need to have a break. You have to refresh yourself. Welcome, maybe the most beautiful restaurant in the world. Welcome. Time is up, the last run. That's it. Kanon. By the way, I'm sorry if this was more than 5 minutes as I promised at the beginning of my vlog. But well, hopefully it makes sense really. It makes, why not? Hey, what's the problem? Go, go, go. Down this time. So many bars and restaurants, it's difficult to choose where to go. I will put my inspector glasses on and find one. End of the day, dinner time. I'm signing off. Over and out. Dinner time. Over and out.